Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to enable or disable the active braking feature. Active braking is actually automatic braking. So in case you react too slow and don't push the brake, in case you are about to have a collision with other vehicle or a pedestrian, the vehicle will brake automatically. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges equipped with active braking and made from 2015 to 2024. Now, to access this feature, you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, and you will be looking into this small menu on the left side of the instrument cluster. Now, first press the left menu button to access the main menu. I will zoom this in a bit. And now you will scroll down until you reach driver assist and press the OK button. And here you will again scroll down to pre-collision and press OK. And here now you have the active braking. So if I press the OK button, I will disable it. And if there is a check mark, that means it's enabled. I will advise you should always have it on, especially if you drive mostly in a city, because sometimes we all get distracted and don't see something, a danger, and this way you can avoid hitting a pedestrian or having an accident with a different vehicle. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.